Number 10. TVoo Mini Pixel Clock and Speaker. TVoo Mini is a desktop pixel clock and Bluetooth speaker with a retro-inspired design. It can display social media notifications, reminders, weather, play music, and yes, wake you up in the morning. You can customize it with LED screen with your own pixel art to make it as unique as you wish, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Its 256 full RGB self-programmable LEDs can display 16 million colors for an unmatched multimedia experience. It comes with a 360-degree 6W directional audio speaker with a dedicated bass port. Since it is pixel art, it has app-powered pixel art games and pixel art editor for endless fun, and a built-in microphone for handling phone calls or recording voice messages. It also has an app-controlled LED customization feature for using it as a night lamp, along with 24 professional sleep aid profiles. The price of this tiny gadget is around $80 US. Number 9. Sky Nano Drone. The Sky Nano Drone is the world's smallest quadcopter. This Nano Drone has a built-in camera and 6-axis flight control system, so it's easier to fly and control than a standard 4-axis drone. The Nano Drone has a front-mounted 300,000 pixel camera with video recording capabilities, so you can film all of the action as it maneuvers and flips through the air. This ultra-compact drone has a blade-to-blade length of just 1.5 inches and weighs less than an ounce. Aside from this, it is also equipped with ready-to-fly technology that offers 3 flying levels. Moreover, the box includes 2.4 GHz 4-channel controller, 3.7-volt 120 mAh battery, 4 replacement rotor blades, USB charging cable, 2 GB micro SD card, and a card reader. All you need to add are 2 AAA batteries for its controller. As for charging, its software is optimized to give you 3 to 4 minutes of flight time on each charge, and its price is $50. Number 8. Quare Plasma Mini. The Quare Plasma Mini is a portable air purifier with effective bipolar ionization technology and a built-in fan to remove airborne viruses and bacteria from your breathing space. Unlike traditional air purifiers, the Quare Plasma Mini purifier emits positive and negative ions into the air, which seek out airborne pollutants. It then entirely breaks them down to increase air quality. As the negative and positive ions are released into the air, the centrifugal miniature fan spreads them out, eliminating airborne contaminants nearby. This technology allows you to breathe safe, fresh air, which helps to prevent the spread of viruses. You can also use the gadget to get rid of volatile organic compounds, mold, and unpleasant odors in your home. It can effectively work with a radius of 30 centimeters. Overall, weighing only 85 grams and offering a 10-hour battery life, it's convenient for daily use. This gadget will cost you around $58 US. Number 7. Pico, a garden in your palm. Pico is a high-tech home garden that allows you to grow a variety of plants in a limited amount of space. It has a stainless steel arm with an embedded multi-spectrum LED light that extends upward as the plant develops, allowing you to position it anywhere in the house. The device, powered by high-performance, efficient LEDs, will completely replace the sun and allow you to grow plants year-round indoors. Pico's watering system ensures that your plants are getting the right amount of water. All you need to do is pour water in once a week, and the capillary wick will take care of the rest. With its USB Type-C ports on both sides, you can chain up to 3 Picos together with a regular phone charger. Best of all, the magnetic and tabletop placements let you grow plants anywhere, so you won't need to take up valuable horizontal space in your home. Their price is about $34. Number 6. Spectrums by Sphero. Sphero Spectrums are app-enabled music rings that transform colors around into sounds. The device is a durable silicone ring worn on a finger. It has a color sensor on a flat base. Connect to the Spectrums MAX or Edu app and tap on anything, your clothes, sketches, or the included playing pad to generate and mix sounds, beats, and loops that play from your smartphone. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Spectrum's rings feature sleek technology such as an accelerometer, light sensor, and Bluetooth low-energy connectivity, offer an affordable, compact, and tactile way to discover more about music creation without spending money on costly singular instruments. The MIX app provides curated sound packs that let you mix and produce entire songs with the tap of your finger. It has a lithium-ion USB rechargeable battery that can provide 2 hours of playtime, and the price of this gadget is around $50. Number 5. UVSense. L'Oreal debuted a Consumer Electronics Show 2018 with several incredible gadgets, but one of the tiniest was the UVSense, a wearable UV sensor. The tiny electric sensor, which is only 2 mm thick and 9 mm in diameter, can be worn on a fingernail, sunglasses, or any other object exposed to sunlight, and it monitors your sun exposure. The gadget runs on solar energy while measuring any UV radiation it comes in contact with. It operates with an accompanying app, available for both iOS and Android, that uses near-field communication to sync and translate the data from the sensor. The collected data allows users to determine when they should be mindful of UV exposure. And if you're concerned about whether you should use the UVSense at the beach or by the pool, don't worry about it. The tech is waterproof, and it's also reusable and readhesive. The price is $60. Number 4. Zanco TinyTL. The Zanco TinyTL is the smallest multifunctional mobile phone in the world. This innovative phone was designed and developed by Zinni Mobiles Ltd. The Zanco TinyTL feature phone appears to be from a time before phone tablets and large-screen smartphones were popular when calling and texting were the primary functions of a phone. The phone is the size of a thumb and weighs less than a coin. To be precise, the handset measures less than 3 inches in length and weighs 13 grams. The TinyTL is marketed as a speak and text cell phone with an alphanumeric keyboard. The phone can store up to 50 SMS messages and the last 50 numbers in the call log, using its 32 megabytes of storage. Powering the TinyTL is a MediaTek motherboard. It supports a 0.49-inch OLED display and runs on a 200 mAh battery. The Zanco TinyTL has connectivity options like 2G, Bluetooth, and micro USB, and the cost is $40. Number 3. Glamos. Glamos is a small device that uses LiDAR technology to project a virtual touchscreen anywhere it's needed, turning TVs or projectors into giant motion-controlled displays that you don't need to touch. LiDAR is a laser-based system that's best known for helping autonomous vehicles navigate. Glamos is portable, easier to apply to other devices, and can register gestures to the touchscreen. Glamos itself is tiny. It measures less than 2 inches in length and weighs only 17.7 grams. Using a rotating mirror module, it projects a motion-sensing field that extends out in a 180-degree semicircle and up to 1 meter wide. The device can sense up to 40 detections per second and can sense even quick motions and translate them to whatever it's hooked up to. Glamos connects to these other displays in 2 ways. The basic model plugs in via micro USB, while the Pro version can also connect via Bluetooth. Price starts at $119 for the basic version and $139 for the Pro. Number 2. Rolova Digital Measuring Tape. Rolova is a portable ruler that can change the way you measure things. With this digital rolling ruler, you can easily measure just about anything. With a single motion, this ruler can measure a wide variety of surfaces, objects, and materials. By simply rolling, this gadget gives you an extremely accurate measurement right on the screen. You can finally take the guesswork and confusing calculations out of measuring everything from flat surfaces to curved objects and more. The Rolova is also compatible with major units of length. The digital OLED screen has a high contrast ratio, offering a brighter display and greater energy efficiency. This convenient measuring tool replaces your traditional ruler with its minimalist design and fits comfortably in your pocket. The stainless steel ruler combines style, precision, and durability. The cost is $77. Number 1. Pocket Sprite. Pocket Sprite is an ultra-portable gaming and emulation console. It's been engineered to be highly playable, easy to use and update. Pocket Sprite is a tiny gaming console, but look under the hood and it's so much more. It's an open-source development platform that features a full-color, high-contrast OLED screen, sound, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, storage, and an internal rechargeable battery. You can recharge the battery via a micro USB port, and a single recharge will give you hours of gameplay and lots of standby. It has a storage capacity of 512 kilobytes RAM, 448 kilobytes ROM, and a 13mm mono speaker. Pocket Sprite's update mechanism is simply incarnate. It makes its own Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can upload your new apps in literally 1 click. The price of this gadget is around $70. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.